Oh, Billy. तो ये थापा क्या है? ये आपका लास्ट नेम है?
No. So my name is Pratapa.
हाँ, उसको उल्टा कर दिया.
Cut it short to Tapa.
अच्छा.
All because of these few Tamil boys that I know.
Okay.
And then I would get my other friends to their place to smoke and all, no?
Okay, okay.
They'll catch on to that thing. Hey, your name is Tapa. Everybody calls you Tapa.
And now also some people call you Thapa. Tha also they do.
Yeah. So usually I get that, you know, like when these Nepali people and all are around, somebody calls Tapa, 5 people will react. They're like, bro, ab Kathmandu se ho? I'm like, hey, no da. Complete
Local.
South, bro.
बाइक याद है आपको?
हाँ?
बाइक याद है?
हाँ, थोड़ा दूर है बाइक.
सही है. This type of content is like ideal. This is exactly what I look for everywhere I go. Where there is like so much life, people, shops, everything going on.
Next, where do we go? We go to Shivaji Nagar coming out. We'll go towards Kaban Park.
हाँ. कबन पार्क के पास ही लाल बाग है.
हाँ, थोड़ा दूर है.
बट कबन पार्क के पास स्वामी विवेकानंदा मेमोरियल है.
वो भी नहीं है.
वो भी नहीं है. अच्छा, ठीक है.
So we'll go Kaban Park. While coming back, we'll come through Jayanagar.
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक
We'll
है.
have a look on all the residential.
और we could
vibe
also
of it.
skip Kaban Park if it's not so important.
Okay.
है ना?
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Anything can be done.
ठीक
और
है.
Kaban Park is very huge,
हाँ.
filled with greenery.
Okay.
They've got the High Court of Bangalore is in Kaban Park.
Okay.
And they've got a very old red-colored library.
अच्छा.
Central library.
अच्छा.
That's
ठीक
all.
है. तो skip कर सकते हैं. जयनगर मार्केट चलते हैं. Also this Muslim residential area that you're talking about was this one only, Shivaji Nagar?
Yeah.
अच्छा.
The posh one, Fraser Town.
No, the local one.
Mid-class one.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Yeah, this is the one.
Also कोरमंगला के पीछे वाला जो है विवेक नगर, I think.
हाँ.
That is also like.
That's also very small houses.
Yeah.
Pretty dangerous area. After 10 p.m.
Dangerous?
that area is dangerous.
Oh.
Yeah, lot of chain snatching.
Oh.
All of that also happens over there. But Vivek Nagar is nice. I told you, there's Tamil Christians, converted Christians. And all that. That area is filled with them.
Okay.
वो भी देख सकते हैं. उधर भी एक चर्च है, Infant Jesus Church.
अच्छा.
That and all used to be family trip, bro. Once in a month we would get out in the car. All 11 of us would sit in one car and come. Now everything's so small. Everything's like right here. Kormangla had the only post office in Bangalore.
Oh.
Not post office, sorry, passport office.
Oh. तो आपके मम्मी पापा भी ओरिजिनली इधर से ही हैं?
हाँ. My mom grew up completely here.
हाँ.
My dad grew up in Gauribidnur, but then he moved here for his like 11th and 12th.
अच्छा.
Both of them are from Mysore surroundings. Mom's side is Mysore के पास एक T Narsipura करके एक है.
अच्छा.
That's a very small village, very small town.
Oh.
My mom's dad's siblings stay there.
Okay.
My mom's dad came up here. He was a big smuggler, bro. My mom's dad. Like
Smuggled what?
Smuggled gold from Burma and all of that.
Oh.
Yeah, he was part of a big network and all.
अच्छा.
उनका घर वो इकेआर मार्केट के पास है.
अच्छा.
So my granddad did this a lot.
हाँ.
Made enough money.
हाँ.
And he bought a lot of properties over there. So my uncle is living like a king now.
सही.
Then my dad's dad is from Gauribidnur. That's a little bit more away from Mysore.
Okay.
That Gauribidnur place is filled with people of my community.
Acha, acha.
Like most of them are Telugu speaking people.
Okay.
So my granddad's brothers are there. They have a steel company
Business.
over there, steel
Okay.
distributor and everything. And my
अच्छा
granddad was a what's that? Civil engineer.
पापा की तरफ वाले
Yeah. He was Vishweswaraya's student.
Oh,
Yeah,
I don't know who that was.
Vishweswaraya is the engineer of India. bro.
अच्छा
His birthday is called Engineer Day.
oh,
So that guy was my granddad's teacher. And my
wow.
granddad has done lot of dams and bridges in that surrounding, Mysore surrounding. But he never let his name come up on any of those boards.
No.
If his name had come up on those boards, we would be getting monthly commission every year from the government. But he was like, he was too cool for all that shit. No, we'll go straight.
अच्छा इधर लोग ज़्यादा टोबैको नहीं चबाते
फूकते ज़्यादा.
फूकते ज़्यादा
चबाते हैं लोग. All these auto drivers and all, they
चबाएंगे.
still have fun for now. But it's banned over here. Chewing tobacco is banned. Yeah, so shops are
oh
also not allowed to like openly sell it.
okay
You know, mostly all these people who work in the shops also, they chew tobacco only. They can't smoke cigarettes.
करेक्ट काम
be
करना है
outside the
हाँ हाँ हाँ
इतना नहीं है. But fucking I think bakery has the highest number of bakeries, bro.
what Bangalore
Yeah.
अच्छा थैंक यू मेरे को ये इधर की बेकरी से भी कुछ खाना है बेकरी से भी खाना है इधर आई यंगर से ही खाऊंगी ठीक
Authentic bakery will go to.
ओके
Because your half the ship is what? Vancheta.
वंचटा बीन्स
Cheta means Malayali shops.
ओके
And like generally, just to sell cigarettes, they make a bakery, bro. Yeah.
ओह
Only for chai and sutta. Oh yeah, this is the showroom wala.
अच्छा जो हमने नहीं किया था तो बेसिकली इस वॉक में हम आए शिवाजी नगर टू कमर्शियल स्ट्रीट
And back.
एंड बैक थैंक यू
My favorite fashion brand. Yeah, many of them will have some Dubai connection.
अच्छा
But I think more than Bangalore, this one has a lot of Dubai connection. Bangalore,
मैंगलोर
yeah, because all these port towns, you know, port cities are very well connected with the Gulf. Kerala, though, half of Kerala is in Dubai only. If Kerala wasn't a communist place, probably the people wouldn't get out that much.
हाँ हाँ
Their labor laws are all like very high, very strict. So they end up sending their kids outside only.
पढ़ने
So
के
you
लिए
find Malus everywhere in India.
राइट
Outside India also you find.
बाहर जाके करो
Weird place, bro, India. No?
so much going on
Very similar, at the same time very different. One
yeah
place to the other.
exactly there's always something to learn about the country
Yeah. I wonder how the postman here functions properly. I would get lost.
yeah
Identity.
साउथ इंडियंस आर ऑल्सो रियली बिग ऑन गोल्ड, राइट? मतलब गोल्ड शॉपिंग फुल पावर करते हैं
Full
साउथ,
power,
है ना?
bro.
अपना तमिलनाडु में भी और इधर भी मेरे को लगता है कि दिख ही रही हैं गोल्ड की दुकानें वुकानें.
Now come Jayanagar and take, you know.
अच्छा.
So many gold shops are there. I'll show you my family shop.
घर, हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Well, there are too many people, too many rich people, bro. in Bangalore.
सभी रिच हैं. नहीं, और इन जनरल साउथ में ही मेरे को लग रहा है कि गोल्ड तो पहनती है जनता. चेन्नई ले लो, पौंडी ले लो, नीचे ले लो, कोयम्बटूर ले लो.
And South India was known for all gems and gold. That's why nobody left India early. Like even the British came, they stayed. Mughals came, they also stayed. We have like a lot of resources. Wow, bro. Kamraj Street success. This was the most peaceful walk I've ever had in Bond Street.
Ever.
Ever. I come with my sisters, that was a big headache.